Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be unboxing all of the Boxycharm Ipsy, whatever it's called. I got sent this in PR. I do subscribe to the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, which I don't know if this is gonna be my last one or not. But yeah, I got the Boxycharm by Ipsy. I didn't get to choose any of this stuff, by the way. The icon box with Mcgrath, and then the Ipsy Glam Bag for November 2023. I got this a few days ago, but it has just been insane. I have not had time. I'd be like, oh, I need to do this. Oh, I need to do this. Oh, I need to do this. And I've been like wearing some of the products. I'm actually wearing the icon box and the Boxycharm by Ipsy box today in different capacities. So, and I did give some of this stuff already to family. So my mother-in-law picked through some stuff and I gave her some stuff. So I'm gonna do the Boxycharm by Ipsy first. Anastasia Beverly Hills satin lipstick in the shade taupe beige, which is really pretty, but I just don't wear lipstick. So this might be going to my mother-in-law or like a gift or something for Christmas. It is a really pretty shade. I don't know why it's showing so dark, but as it says, it's like a, I don't know, like a taupe beige. Packaging's pretty, it's like a rose gold, but I don't wear lipsticks. I'm wearing a lip product right now. Whoa, dream big. And then this is from Alamar Cosmetics, which I've only tried their eyeshadow palettes as well as, well, this is my second eyeshadow palette. I think I got the first one. I know I had just had Aria. So she's 5.5, crazy, almost 5. She'll be 5.5 at the end of the month. But this is super cool. So it unlocks and then boom, and then you can lock it. Oops, I can close it correctly. So look, if I can, so unlocked, locked. So like when you're traveling, like, but there's no mirror. I think they're trying to be, you know, eco-friendly and stuff, sustainable. But this is really pretty. I'm actually wearing this today. I have used all of the shades now. So, and I do really like it. I did not use a glitter primer or anything today, and it did move up, but I do have hooded lids, so like anything here is gonna go here. So, but I used the Camello shade, which I thought would be more orangey, but actually I'm glad it wasn't. And then I used the Un Sueno shade, the peachy shade, which made it a little bit more orangey peachy. And then I'm wearing Soul on my inner corner as well as on my lid. But I have used all of these, so I'll show you guys a look that I did. Did I use this yesterday? I'm trying to think. I know I used it on Saturday. Today's Monday. But I have used all the shades and they are really pretty. And I'll show you guys swatches. No. So anyway, that's really cool. I got the Kapari Marine Clean Purifying Gel Cleanser, which I'm excited to break into. I have a lot of cleansers right now that I've been using, but this does sound really nice. It's supposed to be balancing without being drying, stripping the skin. You can use it to remove makeup. It has algae extracts. I'm probably not gonna use this for makeup removing, but I like using like a balm or like more of like a gel to like, I don't know what this motion is, but to get in there, remove it. But I will use this to double cleanse. And it is vegan, I believe. I want to say, don't quote me, everything from Kapari is vegan. So that is Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I have the Gloss Moderne or Moderne Clean Luxury Body Cream, and then the scent Universal. I don't know what that means. It's paraben free, phthalate free, and vegan. It is a body cream. I'm probably gonna give this to my daughter. Safety seal, but it probably doesn't have, I hope it doesn't have a scent. I don't know how clean this is. It says it's clean, but I'm probably gonna give this to my daughter because I don't use a lot of body lotions. I probably should, but I never go through them. And also this is kind of, someone was actually saying it's kind of small for like a body lotion, but I mean, she has a little body because she's a little girl. So yeah. And then also the Koa Vitamin C Lip Treatment. So I've never tried this brand before, but I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of lip treatments, so I think I'm gonna give this to my mother-in-law as well. It's plant-based, vitamin-rich lip treatment to help dry lips. I have a lot of lip stuff, so which I have enough. I feel like I have enough lip stuff, so I'm probably gonna give that to her too. So yeah, we have a lotion, vitamin C lip treatment, eyeshadow palette, lipstick, and gel cleanser. Then for the Ipsy Glam Bag, I believe I gave one thing to my mother-in-law. I'll put that on the screen, whatever that was. But I think I'm gonna give this to my brother-in-law's girlfriend. this, or one of my friends. This is a liquid liner from Estate Cosmetics. It's a felt tip. I don't like felt tips. And it's in the shade black. It's a black liner. And then from Element Beauty, this is a lip gloss, but there's like shimmer in it. So I'm giving that to Aria. She already used it. And she's like, Mom, when you're done filming, I want it back. I'm like, okay. And it's in the shade Santorini. And she said it smelled really good. And then I have this mascara, but I've actually never seen it in this packaging. But this is the Tartelette tubing mascara. I believe this will be my either third or fourth tube. I really like this. It's good at like locking in your mascara so that you don't have transferring if you have issues with that. This is not going to give you a ton of volume, ton of length. It is more lengthening, but like I said, it makes it more like your mascara long wearing, so less flaking. And then from Grown Alchemist, this is their polishing facial exfoliant. Has pink grapefruit, some type of extract, like glucomannan, pamplemousse rose. I can't do stuff that has rose in it. Like on my face, it's gonna, I get like these under bumps and stuff. Like my skin feels itchy. So I'm not gonna be keeping that. I think that everything from I think their packaging is sustainable. I think this isn't plastic. It's like aluminum or something, or I don't know. But yeah, mascara is probably the best thing in my opinion. And then the Icon box, which this is Pat Mcgrath. Pat Mcgrath is not a cruelty-free brand. That's her name. So, but anyway, they're not cruelty-free, but it's bougie. This isn't what I did not want. This is the Quick Flick for Perfect Wings. I don't like this stamp thing. Okay, this is not my kind of eyeliner. Like I don't really, because I have hooded lids, I don't really like super thick. I'm not wearing any wings today, but I usually use like an eyeshadow or just not this. I don't like felt tips. And this is like, I just don't like, I don't like it. I don't like it. So no. Anyway, it has a pen and stuff, so that's just not gonna be me. Not gonna be me. So that's gonna go to my sister-in-law probably. And then some stuff I actually am excited about. This Danessa Myricks, which I was so excited. It's my first Danessa Myricks product. Packaging is cute, even though it's plastic. I'm actually wearing this as like a glowy blush, but I have used it as a highlighter, but it's a little dark for me. It's just like really cool. Like this is in the shade Rose Water. But this is really pretty glow, like, and it doesn't feel sticky either, which is nice. I thought it was gonna feel sticky, but it doesn't. The box is so cute too. It's like this pretty, it's more than just rose gold. It's rose water. We're not doing, don't go chasing waterfalls again. I think we did that in my last Ipsy. But this is the Dew Wet Balm, exactly what it sounds like. Dewy, wet, balmy. But I'm really excited because I've never tried. It's supposed to be a highlight. It's supposed to be hydrating too, which my skin has been hella dry. Got dry skin on fleek right now. Back to having hella dry skin. Like I got like dry patches even though I did all the things. I did the oil, I did the serum. This isn't the order. I did the moisturizer. I did like exfoliant. I've been using gentle stuff on my skin. Still super dry. Then from LYS Beauty, I did get the Glossy Lip Treatment Oil Duo. There are 2 shades. The packaging is really cute. Kind of gives me Charlotte Tilbury colors. But I don't know, I like LYS. I got a lot. This is Raised Fonce. So there is 2 shades, and I love their triangle packaging. It's really cool. So I think this is a little messy, but the plasticky part, so it doesn't make a mess, you can go like, so I don't know. At first I was like, why isn't it twisting? It doesn't need a twist, you just, anyway, this is the shade Lovable. Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. And then this is the Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil in the OG. So I was excited about those. I will use those. And then last but not least, we have from Pat Mcgrath. Since this is a Pat Mcgrath box, the packaging is cool. I believe this is like $36, which I think is insane. Insane the membrane? I don't know. It is vegan, I believe, but it's not cruelty free, and that is the craziest price. I don't think it's like the most expensive, probably like Tom Ford or something. ridiculous, is more expensive, but like, no. So it's gonna be a gift. These are great for gifts, by the way. Like, you know, I might not use this, but like it's great for someone else that would want this and be excited about this. So anyway, and I also have a code. I never really talk about this. I have a code where you can get like, you know, some bucks off of your first Ipsy. So, or Boxycharm or whatever you want, whatever you're fancying. I am getting an add-on. So if you subscribe to Boxycharm and Ipsy, you can participate in the sale, the add-ons. They always have a shop, different things. Some stuff is from the boxes, some stuff is not from the boxes. All different brands, Natasha Denona, all that kind of jazz. But yeah, enjoy this video. Let me know with a thumbs up and a comment down below, positive or negative. We all growing here. So yeah, let me know, what is your favorite product that I received? Would you like this? Would you not like this? Let me know by a comment. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.